Good day, I am John Rojas. I am connected to Palatable Pleasures. I am here to make sure that the Angostura bitters is well used at every level. Food and drinks. You get the results after that. Thanks.
So stay tuned, we have plenty of exciting action to come.
So Emily, ready to eat some good food?
Starving, for sure. So excited.
Emily is one of our judges this year.
Yeah.
So Emily eats everything?
Yeah, I do. Fortunately, I'm not allergic to anything. The only thing I don't like is watermelon, which is weird, but love everything else.
We have eaten food. Boom bang. You know, the man who just hold on the 40 in Trinidad and Tobago with all the food events taking place. Sometimes.
What's going on here, live or?
Not really live.
Live?
One of your fellow colleagues, Trini Cooking with Natasha.
Yeah. Any ideas what you're doing here?
This is for Natasha.
How are you?
I can't use bad language.
You cannot use bad language. This is a family-oriented channel that Natasha has. Right? Don't be bitter.
I won't be bitter. Can I be aromatic?
You can be aromatic. Two of our other judges, we have Chef Chelsea and Chef John, you just heard from a little while ago. And they're looking for some good food here today.
Yeah.
Chef John has been here before. Oh, look foodie!
What's going on?
Well, he just here for his belly.
All you know, I love nothing more than my belly. Love my belly, bad. So I'm really excited to see what these people have for us today.
Wonderful, man.
Okay.
Back, so that's how I get it. And then I make, and then together with the habanero pepper I dried and grind. So it's like buying dry pepper, but it's habanero pepper. So that's the idea to sell it. Trinidad don't have that as yet.
Are you going to consider making this one?
I have it right here. I have the pepper right here also. I never saw that sell it.
I'll just get that.
I think it's finished. The little thing here.
So
we need
you're going to be excited. We're not talking about steak before the show. Very exciting things we have going on here today. Well, check this out here. Look, we have.
I had her taking me all over
Yeah, you jump fence though.
What's that?
You jump fence getting out, right?
What? If I jump a fence? Really, you want to turn it? Face it again and then face first and then. Just face. Okay, and this, and the season and the cormorant, while it's spicy cormorant barbecue sauce.
Spicy Pomerock barbecue sauce.
Yes.
Wow.
You are the chef.
Smelling good.
Oh, nice.
Secret ingredient.
Yeah. Also, I use habanero pepper to make it spicy. I take the habanero pepper and I grind it, and then I put it in the chopper and made it in a powder. And that's in the barbecue sauce.
So now when you invite them in your kitchen.
You will eat some here today.
Yeah, right, I'm excited. So I'm going to show. Is our seafood good, huh? Yes, sir.
Gotta prepare a little sambal now. Have them empty glass and make sorrel, habanero, sorrel, having sweet Italian spicy sorrel, sugar. Habanero and sorrel, sugar.
For this? For?
And put
Well, this is what the competition is all about, is bringing your A game. And I mean, I never see, what is it? Sorrel sugar before.
Sorrel
I made it up.
She made it up, and that's creativity and innovation right there. Look at that.
This is sorrel and strawberry here. Blend together. Right, hold on eh. This is the 1990. How to do like that? The colors, right?
You ready to take out one yes?
Take a full one. A full one, eh?
6 minutes, okay?
6 minutes left.
Mango and this is stuff.
Alright folks, we're just at 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes.
We also have the new sides and dessert with a sweet tasting amount of stuff, such as the triple chocolate brownie top with cinnamon butter. Yes.
Listen, what are you saying?
Well, we're here with Eater Food.
Who are you doing this for?
You send this for Natasha.
This for Natasha again?
You send this for Natasha. I have a piece of footage.
Natasha, I hope you're paying Jason real money, you know.
Well, we get a brand new Osmo and we're testing it out here. This is behind the scenes. And we say we'll try it out. So, nah man, we in charge of Natasha. This is my debut piece of footage that I'm using on a fancy piece of equipment. You see all the fellas have. Look, I'm still trying to aim down. I even know how to aim down. Ah, we aiming down. You see, fancy equipment there. Going on this side here, we have foodie in a corner there. We have the heads of Angostura in the back there doing stuff. Going around here. Let's go and see what some of the folks are doing. We have Chelsea here inquiring.
Chef, have you heard about these cheesecakes?
No, I haven't heard about these cheesecakes.
Okay,
Tell us about the cheesecakes, and you're just on board because we're trying out some new equipment here for Natasha.
Oh, okay, great.
So tell us about your cheesecakes.
Well, we're called Cheesecake House, and we have the largest selection of cheesecakes in Trinidad. We have 105 flavors, 9 different bases. We do them eggless, gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan. So today we have mango, soursop, pineapple, pina colada, avocado, and white chocolate, key lime, berry, raspberry, strawberry, banana, strawberry daiquiri, tiramisu, and tamarind cheesecake.
All these cheesecakes.
All these cheesecakes.
So you pride yourself on using local flavors.
Yes. That's what makes us special. We keep it local and we keep it original.
And where are you guys based?
I repair South Oakwood.
Wow.
We manufacture there and we deliver nationwide. So you can find us on Facebook, Cheesecake House.
You guys have a nice setup here.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
I'm very intrigued to set her top 3 avocado and white chocolate. Chocolate overload. Chocolate overload is a combination of chocolate and fruitcake. That's like a secret ingredient she said that's in it, and I would have never paid those two things together.
Wow.
Which is quite interesting.
Pina colada is an option, and we'll use all around
Good.
Yeah. And the bitters have to go in there.
I'm here with Janine. Janine gives me a hard time all the time when we go out to do promotions.
It's true. It's true.
But
I am his bodyguard because you women love him. And
oh God, don't say that. We don't wanna remember those moments, right? Or what happens. But she is my bodyguard and she just have to hold on the scene sometimes. Things get really rough. I don't know what I would do without Janine. Janine is actually like, I won't be here today without Janine.
Yes.
Man, say that hello thing there, man. What's going on?
I just eat a pork bun and a beef bun and it tastes real best. And I eat ramen too. My belly feeling real nice. And I mean, I'm loving this. I'm loving this event. I'm loving, thank you Angostura, the LLB going down good. Everything is happening. And already, because guess what? We're about to start round 2. So it doubles the excitement coming out. Now it's the professionals.
Boom.
So let me see what they go have first.
And we're here with a spectator, a good friend. Noel, how you find the scenes going?
Good, good, good.
Happy? You're not bitter?
No. Alright, so we're going to have a flare demo just now.
Let me see what
Very exciting flare demo.
Oh, we're here with Donna. She's from Fanatic Kitchen Studio.
How are you going?
All is well today.
Yes, how was the competition today?
Well, the wrong one was very good. We had fun, yeah. I can't wait to see the professionals in a little while. So we have category 2 coming up in a little while. So.
Oh, good. And you're a judge there too?
I am a judge there
also.
also.
Oh, my word. Well, good. Well, let's hope the best man wins or best lady.
We hope so.
I'm sure it's going to be a lady.
One of the judges, the Rojas in the house.
Hi, Chef.
You ready for round 2?
Without a doubt. They say they are the pros, so we want to see how it goes.
We have Vitra and the team.
Hi.
And
I'm doing the second round, just start judge.
Yes.